Guys, today I will show you how to do voiceover like Zendex in Android. So for that you will need an app named Narrator's Voice. Just simply download it from link in the description. So I have already downloaded the app and let me tell you, I use this app to create my voice. So this is the interface of the app. It is so easy to use. You will have to do some settings. First, click in this option. Do everything carefully. One small mistake will make the voice so much different. Keep the server in Charizard. And keep the language in American English, ENUS. And the last thing, keep the voice in Michiel Narrow. Let me just test it and show you. Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Hi guys, welcome back to my new video.
But that's alright. Hush.